So let's say you want to attach some sort of a description to the task that you have in Structured. So to do that, you can go ahead and click right here on check food list. And here you can see that you have an option to add in notes or meeting links or even phone numbers right here. This is the description sections where you can go ahead and add in text that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and say check with Sarah on the food list. So you can go ahead and type in something like this and click on update task. And then over here, you know that this particular task has the note attached to it as well. So you actually know that you can actually go ahead and expand this and see this particular note right here. Of course, you can go ahead and then let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and after that inform Robert, let's say, for example, right here. So you can go ahead and type that in and then update the task. And then what happens is that this gets updated right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around onto inbox, same goes for the inbox as well. So I'm just going to go around and say it says make a meeting my notes and mail to all the team members. So all the team members right here, you can go ahead and add this in, update the task, and then what happens is that you will be able to see it right there. So for the inbox right here, you don't actually see that there are notes, but you need to click right here. But in the main timeline, you will be able to see this note icon right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and add notes to tasks inside of Structured Web. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.